Good morning, sir. I will discuss the first life cycle of a gasoline. So, definition of gasoline is a gasoline is an internal combustion engine that runs on a mixture of gasoline and air, which is ignited by a spark plug to power a vehicle. So, first life cycle of a gasoline, we have intake, compression, power, and exhaust. The first is intake. The purpose of intake is to vacuum air-fuel mixture. So, the function is the intake valve will open together with the piston. So, the piston will move down from TDC to BDC. So, the air will go inside to the combustion chamber. When the piston is in the BDC, that's the end of intake stroke. So, second is compression. The purpose is to compress air fuel mixture. So, the function is both valves are closed. The piston is from BDC to TDC to compress the air fuel mixture. So, when the piston is in the TDC, that's the end of the compression stroke. So, third is power. So, the purpose of power is to create power. And the function is both valves are closed and the spark plug gives current to the air fuel mixture that ignite and explode. So, the piston is absorb the power, then the piston moves down from TDC to BDC. When the piston is in the BDC, that's the end of our stroke. So we have fourth, exhaust. So the purpose of exhaust is to release burn gases. So the function is the exhaust valve will open and the piston is from BDC to TDC to release burn gases. That's all. Thank you, sir.